Hola, it's Gabby here for Crafty Gabby, and today I'm going to make a vintage car. Oh, well, it's not vintage, it's going to look vintage. I coloring this stamp with my color pencils. I think she look a little bit like the old style in the hair that people have. It's for that she inspired me to do this car. She's going to be in a Polaroid picture, like she gave it to somebody to remember her long time ago. After I finish coloring her with my coloring pencils, I'm going to start working on my Polaroid. Okay, I will add a kiss on the bottom of the Polaroid, and after that I'm going to add a little bit of embossing powder, glitter, red embossing powder. Sorry for my shaky camera. And sorry that I didn't show everything where I color her, but it was basic coloring and I don't want to bore you with that. After I apply heat to the case, I'm going to make the Polaroid a little bit old with my distress inks and pumice stone and antique lining. I'm also going to grab these tapes as you saw me, I'm going to add, let me see, mustard. It's white 26 Copic markers. That way I color my mat and I press the tape against the part that I color, and that way I made my tape old. You see here I'm going to make all to the car panel with the same color that I used for the Polaroid. I'm going to glue the Polaroid frame to the car panel and add also the picture as you see here. She's already finished all the coloring, and you see it's a basic coloring. I didn't use too much the many colors or any blending or anything. As you see at the beginning of the video, I didn't stamp her mouth because if I stamp her together with the black ink, the mouth is going to be black. And I stamped the mouth with color box in color strawberry in a different paper, cut it out and glue it to the gear. And adding here the tape in yellow. It's better. I cut it, but it's better if you fold it to the back, because you don't going to see it anyway, because this is going to be glued to the car base. But I just cut it, and after I was doing this point over, I said, oh my god, I should just fold it to the back. It will be better, it will hold better. Like I say, do as I say, not as I do. I cut this, I cut with the letters XOXO, that means kisses and hugs, and I'm going to glue it to the side of the car. I'm just going to glue a pair, 2 X and 2 O's, because I was thinking to put it in the middle of the picture, but it doesn't, I don't know, I didn't like it. I'm going to glue it to the side. After I finish gluing this, it will be it. I finished my car. Well, no, it's no Valentine anymore, but I have these ones in my desk for some time, and I didn't get to edit the video. Well, thank you for watching my videos, and until next car, goodbye.